Hi, welcome to another Photoshop beginner tutorial. This is a real simple tutorial for people just starting out in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to create a simple frame animation. So let's get started. We'll get our layers palette. Let's actually bring it out. And we're going to create a frame animation that goes 1, 2, 3. Simple as that. So I'll get a text tool. I'm on Arial, bold, 50 point, red. I'm going to click and type 1. Then you can either hit the tick up here or enter on a numerical keypad. Then 2. Make sure when you're typing your next number or letter, you're not near another one, because you can see it actually changes. When you're away from it, you've got that bounding box. When you're close to it, you haven't. So you need to be away so you have that bounding box. 3, enter. Let's get our move tool, auto select, and let's just move these a bit closer together. Then I'm going to shift select in the layers palette all 3 of them layers and press Ctrl T, and I'm just going to scale them up a bit until I'm happy with them. That's fine. Let's turn off auto select. While they're still shift selected, let's go onto the move tool by pressing V, and then align them horizontally and then align them vertically. Now we can start our frame animation. I'm going to highlight layer 1 and I'm going to turn off the other 2 layers by clicking on the eyeballs. Then I'm going to go to Window, Timeline, and create frame animation. You can anyway. So what we want to do is we want to hit this button which duplicates that frame. So now we've got 2 frames with 1. This second frame we're going to change it to 2. So we're going to turn off number 1, select number 2 and turn it on. So now we've got 1, 2. Let's duplicate number 2 frame again and do the same. Go on to 3 and turn it on. Let's select them all, and you see this little arrow with a 5 beside them. That means that the frame's going to move, the animation's going to move at 5 seconds per frame, which is too slow for us. We want it at say 0.2. And down here we get the options of looping. We're going to loop it forever, and let's press play. There you've got 1, 2, 3. You can also add tweens. Shift select 1 and 2 and hit the tween button here. Let's set it to 3. Click OK, and then we come to the second last one and the last one. Hit the tween button, click OK because that was set to 3, and now go to 1, press play, and now you can see it's moving. It's going a bit more slowly because there's more frames, but you can see that there's an opacity change between each number. Stop. Now to save this out as an animation, you can either make a movie out of it, but it would be much simpler to just file, save for web and devices, and I've shown you how to use that before. If you want to save this and then so you can come back to it and edit it, then save it as a PSD file, which